Hi there. How are you doing? Right now we are going to cover interjections in English. Are you ready to rock? Let's get started. What is an interjection? An interjection is a part of speech used to convey or express sudden feelings and emotions. In addition, an interjection, according to the Oxford Learner's Dictionary, is defined as a short sound, word or phrase spoken suddenly to express an emotion. For example, hooray! We won the match. The word, hooray, is an example of interjection. Let's see other interjections in English. Here are some examples of interjections in English with their purpose, or usage, and examples. Alas. It is used to express sadness or pity. Example. Alas. That was so unfortunate. Ah. Its purpose is to express realization, or surprise. Example. Ah. The magic show at the end was a total surprise. A. Purpose. To inquire, or ask for something to be repeated. For example. A. I didn't quite get it. Can you please repeat it? Dear. Purpose. To express pity, or surprise. Example. Oh dear. I feel really bad for what happened to you. Hey. Usage. To express surprise, or call for attention. Example. Hey. Look out for the car. Hooray. Purpose. To express joy. Example. Hooray. We finally cleared the test. O. Function. To express pain or surprise. Example. Oh. I have a really bad headache. Ouch. Is used to express pain. Example. Ouch. You stepped on my toes. Phew. Is used to express relief, exhaustion, and disgust. Example. Phew. That was an extremely long presentation. Ah. Is used to express hesitation. Example. Ah. I don't think I want to be a part of this. Well. Its purpose is to introduce a remark. Example. Well, what you just did was wonderful. Wow. Its purpose is to express your admiration for something. Example. Wow. Your new bike is amazing. UP. Its purpose is to express joy. Example. UP. Tomorrow is a holiday. Alright, now let's test your understanding of interjections. Fill in the blanks with the most suitable interjection in the following sentences. Ouch. UP. Bravo. Alas. My God. Well. Ah. Ah. Wow. And, oh no. 1. Blank, that is new. Let me do this number as an example. The answer is, well. Now continue number 2 to 10. You have 15 seconds before the correct answer automatically appears. Good luck. 2. Blank, that hurt me more than I thought it would. Three. Blank, we got the tickets to the movie premiere night. Four. Blank, I don't want to do it this way. Five. Blank, you did a really great job with that piece of furniture. 6. Blank, now I understand what you were trying to say. 7. Blank, that should have really upset you. 8. Blank, I have not cleared the internal assessment. 9. Blank, that was a really brave thing to do. 10. Blank, the waiting list for the reservation seats is too long. I don't think we would get a seat. 'Well done.' So, that is interjection in English. Be ready. Our next topic of discussion is sentences in English. See you and ta-ta.